Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for the PlayStation newsletter. So you can do this on your computer like we're on now, or you can also do this on the web browser on your phone as well. So what you're going to want to do is go to the PlayStation.com website, make sure you're logged in on your account that you want to sign up the PlayStation newsletter for. Click at the top right where you see the smiley face, then click Account Settings. That's going to load up for a few seconds, and then you're going to see this information page here. Then you're going to want to go to the bottom of the page where you see that little toolbar where it says Notification Settings. Then you'll see the notification settings there, and then you're going to want to make sure you tick the little box there, and then you're going to want to click Save. And then obviously if you want to turn the notifications off again to get the newsletter, you can just untick the box, then click Save. So hopefully that makes sense for you. If you're going to go out and do this, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this, click on screen to see more how-to videos on the PlayStation, other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.